The channel name gives it away. For many years, I've been pedaling on a Brompton folding bike, and I've enjoyed every minute of it. I suppose, like most of you, I just love these little bikes. But there'll be a slight program change, and I thought I would update you with what is going to happen on the channel over the summer. For a while, I'd been planning to take a break from work and go on a longer journey, and now the time has finally arrived. Whereas I'm guilty. I'm temporarily betraying the folding community for the luxuries of a regular bike. Controversially, for a channel named Brompton Traveller, I've decided that for this next trip, I will use a regular touring bike. The Brompton has been just the perfect bike for the kind of tours I've taken so far. But for this upcoming adventure, I needed a bike with a little bit more room for all the gear that I'll be carrying. Just in order to be a little bit more comfortable during what will be a longer trip. I have no doubts that I get back to a folder for more trips in the future. But the bicycle, after all, is only the mean. As far as the channel is concerned, over the coming months, everything else will stay pretty much the same. With more time on my hands, I plan to upload maybe slightly shorter content, but more frequently than I have done in the past. Packing for a longer trip can be a bit of a challenge, and I suppose it's all part of the fun. No doubt I was really comfortable and used to my simple Brompton setup. But now I will need to adjust to a different system of carrying things. And a heavier bike that I must say was quite a shock to ride when I tried it fully loaded for the first time. Now let's talk about the route planning, or lack of it. My Brompton tours usually involved a 3 to 4 weeks break, during which I try to pack as much of a destination as I could possibly fit. This of course involved flights and a detailed route planning to make sure I could complete the journey within a given time. On these occasions, things will be different. I will have much more time, and that gives the freedom to decide and change plans on the go. The idea is to include some Scandinavian countries, as well as other European countries that I haven't yet had a chance to visit, or at least cycle in. By tapping into the collective knowledge of cycling communities on social networks, I've discovered some exciting routes and hidden gems that I tagged on my maps. Places that I hope to be sometime able to explore. Otherwise, the intention is to keep plans to a minimum and open up to the unexpected and see how it goes. There are many ways you can get involved and join me in this new journey, and you can find all links in the information box below this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, the obvious starting point is this channel, where I aim to regularly upload videos about this journey. Next, you can check out the Brompton Traveller website, where you will find plenty of information. A map on the main page, for example, will show you my most recent location and progress, and you will find all other links, including Brompton articles and tips on traveling with a folding bike. There, you will also find the many ways to support me, most of which, by the way, won't cost you a penny. Most would agree that some of the fondest memories of a bike tour are the people you meet. Clicking on Host Me allows you to provide your contact if you're willing to offer a corner of your garden or a roof for the night when I'm passing nearby you. For those willing to further support me, I have set up a page on Buy Me a Coffee, a popular donation platform, where I will produce weekly notes about the journey. These, by the way, are open to all, but should you enjoy them, you will be able to contribute to my caffeine intake and donate a one-off cup of brew, or, if you're so inclined and extremely generous, a single cup of coffee every month. Other simple ways to help me are purchasing and reviewing the books I publish on Amazon, subscribing to the YouTube channel, and the best of them all, posting a free, encouraging comment that will keep me humble and will make my day. So keep watching this space for an imminent departure, and I'm wishing you all a wonderful ride. Bye for now.